Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are uncovering an amazing feature, how to use Bing Chat AI for travel planning. So, let's get started. When it comes to travel planning, Bing Chat's capabilities are truly impressive. To get the best responses, make sure to use the more creative conversation style for detailed results. You have a few options for planning your trip. For a general overview of activities, ask something like things to do in Traverse City, MI in this summer. You'll receive a helpful list of suggestions. If you're looking for specification or specifics, try queries like best brewers in Traverse City, Michigan. Bing Chat will provide you with a list of options along with a map. Need a daily itinerary? Just ask, give me a daily itinerary for a weekend trip in Traverse City in September. Bing will generate a detailed plan for each day of your trip. The magic doesn't stop there. Bing Chat remembers your conversation, so you can refine your plan with follow-up questions, adjust days, add locations, or it's all about your fingertips. While Bing Chat is a fantastic tool, cross-checking is a must. Believing it is a wise move. AI chatbots can sometimes provide inaccurate information. So there you have it, Bing Chat's travel planning prowess. Enjoy your trip and don't forget to explore all the other cool things Bing Chat can do. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.